Most people think ChatGPT is just for typing questions, but in 2026, the mobile app can talk to you, see what you see, browse the internet live, analyze files, and even create images and videos. In this video, I'll show you the top 10 ChatGPT mobile app features that actually change how you use your phone daily. Feature number 1. Real-time voice mode. You can talk to ChatGPT naturally and it responds instantly, almost like a real conversation.
Imagine walking outside, cooking or driving, and you are brainstorming video ideas or practicing a language hands-free.
Absolutely. It's such a great way to stay productive and keep the creativity flowing no matter what you're doing. It really makes multitasking that much easier and more enjoyable.
And please tell the people on my channel to subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Absolutely. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means a lot.
Multimodal input. In the same chat, you can type a question and send a voice note. Or update an image. And ChatGPT understands all of this together. Advanced memory. ChatGPT now remembers your preferences across conversations. Things like your interests, writing style, recurring tasks, or tools you use. Why this matters? You don't need to repeat yourself every time. The responses feel more personal and accurate. Real-time web browsing. This solves the biggest limitation all the AI had. ChatGPT can now browse the internet live and give the current news, trends, prices, and updates. Code interpreter. This turns your phone into a mini data lab. You can upload PDFs, spreadsheets, or images, and ChatGPT analyzes them using Python. Custom GPTs. You can now use specialized AI bots built for specific tasks like travel planner, content writer, coding assistant, or study helper. The GPT Store lets you discover and share the tools easily. Deep research tool. This is for serious research. ChatGPT can plan research, scan hundreds of sources, and even generate detailed summaries with citations. Project for organization. Instead of messy chats, you can organize everything into projects. Each project keeps chats, files, and context together. DALL-E and Sora integration. Creativity is fully built in. You can generate high-quality images using DALL-E or short realistic videos using Sora right inside the app. ChatGPT in 2026 isn't just an app, it is a personal assistant, researcher, creator, and problem solver in your pocket. Which feature surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.